Hi, I'm Annette. We've been in the house over 28 years, and over time we've done a lot of renovations, and unfortunately the door was the last thing that got done. We came back from holidays and took a critical look around and thought, time for the doors to go. Yeah. When I see the wide door on other houses, I really like the look of it. And I was told about the Guardian, which gave us the option of not having the screen doors to cover up such a beautiful door. Allows us to have the air access, security access to see who's at the front door without opening the main door. And I really like the clean look of the door without the security screen in front. So Doors Plus is the name I've always heard. I knew it's been around. We went down to the Marsden Park showroom and had a look there, and really went into more detail then about the fixtures, the fittings. Saw the Guardian in action. When I saw the door on display with the Guardian side panel, I could visualise what it looked like at the front of the house. Originally we were going to do the installation ourselves. We looked at a few places like the local hardware. It was going to be the two 800 doors. Went to Doors Plus. Again, my husband was going to do the installation because it's something he could do, but to get the whole package done, to have someone come in on one day, finish it, be done, they've got all the materials, instead of going backwards and forwards to the hardware because you missed something and picking out the locks and keys and whatever, we thought it'd be a better option just to have it done totally by Doors Plus. So I've always had screen doors for security and also to be able to open up the doors and let the breeze through, but to cover up that beautiful door wasn't going to be an option. So when I found out about the Guardian, that was great. I could open it up, still have the security there, and let the breeze come through and still not impede the view of the front door. So I'm really happy with it, really happy with the decision. From the time we decided to go for the larger door, went to the showroom at Minchinbury and again at Marsden Park, through to the installation today, it's been seamless. Been very, very impressed with Doors Plus, could not fault them. The new door installation has just totally transformed the look of the house, and I'm really, really pleased with it.